Everything needed for evaluating Epaper kit to design your product. It's available from FDT now. Just plug in power to start demo program. You will see how Epaper display. The best is attached sample code will assist you understand how to work with an Epaper by a direct and quick way. This EVK includes an Epaper kit and a PMMA bracket. On the back of it, come with fixed USB connector, interface board, and Raspberry Pi Zero board. Other accessories like power adapter, power cord are also available from the package. Besides, Epaper display content by reflection of around light. Due to this, it has feature of wide view angle and no blue light emitted. No matter for environment or people health is good and helpful. We provide sample codes of Python and C. By these ready example, you can easily understand the working way of Epaper from common development platforms such as Spider, Jupyter, and Visual Studio. You even can apply it to your design directly. We also provide a series of Epaper kit with different sizes for your need. FDT assists you to apply Epaper into a new design with easy and fast way.